Good morning, Jim Barrett from RJO Futures. It is Monday morning, July 8th. A little bit of stabilization in notes and bonds after the big rout Friday. The unemployment number, everybody knows, came in better than expected, moving up expectations of the Fed taper, and of course yields soared to the new high points for the year. The 10-year note, I believe at one time overnight in Asia, was over 275, say 276. 30-year up there near 375 itself. Now, I should mention equities up again. Equities were up big Friday, followed through. European equities followed through. But bonds have been able to stabilize anyway. We're well over a point off today's lows. In the 30-year, and that's with supply coming. We do have a refunding week. There's a lot of supply coming, 32 billion, and 3-year notes will be auctioned tomorrow, I believe, 21 billion in 10-year notes Wednesday, and another 13 billion in the 30-year on Thursday. So this will be a test. However, I think these higher yields may attract a little business. We'll see. I mean, the big outflow in the bond funds, well, we've got to monitor that. Up to $80 billion apparently was pulled out of these things in the last couple of weeks. Will that slow, as most of the hot money has it already poured out? Time will tell. And what'll make a difference this week? Newsworthy things are, of course, what the FOMC people say. What Bernanke's scheduled to speak on Wednesday. We also get notes from the last meeting, the June meeting. So we got two very important things coming up. The 10th, Wednesday the 10th. Bernanke speaks after the market closes, but these notes will be released at 1 o'clock Central Time, I believe, from, again, the June meeting. Later in the week, other governors speak. Bullard, Philadelphia, Plossner speak, and these will be during market hours. So Friday, even though it's summertime, maybe a little busier than normal. Goldman was out, by the way, overnight with a note, or late last week, talking about the possibility of 3% yields before the year's out, and even 4% yields out a couple of years. So all that is already out. I think what matters now is, or what the tape is telling us anyway, that the prices for now have gone low enough, the yields have gone high enough to bring at least a two-way trade in, awaiting Bernanke on Wednesday. Can we reach at 800-500-2461 to discuss any commodity futures market? Remember, there's a risk of loss of trading, so it's certainly not for everybody. Have a great trading week. Thank you.